Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. The OBD-II fault code U0227 means that there is a communication problem with the door window motor F. This could be due to a wiring issue or a faulty control module. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms: 1. Power window not working. 2. Unable to control the window from the driver's side. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Faulty wiring. Check the wiring harness connected to the door window motor for any visible damage or loose connections. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and voltage. Repair or replace any damaged wiring. Ensure all connections are secure and free of corrosion. Faulty control module. Use a diagnostic scanner to check for any trouble codes related to the door window motor. Test the control module for proper voltage and communication signals. Replace the faulty control module with a new one. Ensure it is programmed and calibrated correctly for the specific vehicle. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.